Welcome to day 2 of why to build a digital marketing business in 2025. Hey, I'm Cece. If you're new here, I help mamas make income online without the stress and the burnout. And in today's video, I'm going to share the second reason why you should get started in digital marketing this year. Reason number 2, it has a low point of entry cost and it's easily accessible. So digital marketing is beginner friendly because you can have the access to sell other people's products that are already created if you either don't know how to create your own or don't want to create your own. And you can get started for very little money because there's no inventory cost if you are doing it with a digital product. So unlike some other businesses, there is no inventory, no overhead. You don't need any fancy degree to get started. You just need a phone or a laptop and Wi-Fi and some knowledge and maybe a couple other free tools like Canva if you want to create something of your own, and that's it. So then you can use other free tools like Canva, social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whichever platform you're comfortable on in order to market. And that's really all you need in order to get started. There are also lots of flexible learning opportunities. You can find information online. I share on my page different resources for how to get started on digital marketing. I also have a community. It's free. If you want the link to that, go to the description below. I share behind the scenes tips and tricks for digital marketing. And then if you want to fast track your success, there are courses out there that will teach you step by step how to get started in digital marketing. And a lot of those offer master resale rights so they can be your first product to get started in the industry and sell. So be sure and come back tomorrow where I talk through step 3 as to why to get started in digital marketing in 2025. And as a bonus, I'm going to talk about an opportunity if you don't already have a product and don't want to create your own. I'm going to let you know about one option where you can get started right away. See you tomorrow.